I am Dr. Tamrakar from Bharatiya College of Agricultural Engineering, Durg. I will teach theory of machine of BTech first year, second semester. Today we will solve one numerical. A mechanism as shown in figure 6.15 has the following dimensions: OA equal to 200 mm, AB equal to 1.5 meter, BC equal to 600 mm, CD equal to 500 mm, and BE equal to 400 mm. Locate all the instantaneous centers. If crank OA rotate uniformly at 120 rpm clockwise, find first the velocity of B, C and D. Second, the angular velocity of link AB, BC and CD. Here is the data given. NOA is given 120 rpm or omega OA equal to 2 pi n by 60, that is equal to 12.57 radian per second. Since the length of crank OA is 200 mm, that is equal to 0.2 meter. Therefore, linear velocity of crank OA, VOA equal to VA, that is equal to omega OA multiplied by OA. This value comes 2.514 meter per second. And this is the diagram of the mechanism. Here O is fixed and it is making 30 degree to locate A. Then A is connected to B and BC are pin joined at point E, and D is having to and fro motion, and the height of E and D is 100 mm. The distance from O to E is 1.35 meter. These have been given. Now, location of instantaneous center. We have to find the location. Since instantaneous centers are located as discussed below, first, since mechanism consists of 6 links, here 6 links are there, so 15 instantaneous centers we have to create there. Make a list of all the instantaneous centers in the mechanism. Since the mechanism has 15 instantaneous centers, therefore these centers are listed in the following bookkeeping table. Link 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and instantaneous centers. 1 is having 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Instantaneous center numbers are there. And link 2, 23, 24, 25, 26. Link 3, 34, 35, 36. And link 4, 45, 46. And link 5, 56. Here is the diagram of the links, and links are called link 13, not 113. Okay. So here from left corner, point 1 is fixed. So here it is link 1, 2, between 1 and 2. At point A is link 2, 3, because this joins 2 with 3. Then right side at B point, this is link 3, 4, because this is joining 3 with 4. Then at point C, this is link instantaneous center 4, 5, because this is joins 4 with link 5. Next is I4, 6. This is the point E. This is the instantaneous center where 1, 6 and 4, 6 are connected. Next point is point D on the right corner, point D. This is instantaneous center 5, 6 where 6 is fixed, and I16 at infinite distance, 1 and 6 not joined. They are fixed both, so they are meet at infinite distance. And in the left corner, this is also from point 1, a vertical line I16 at infinite distance. At point E, this is also vertical line, red line I16 at, this is also at infinite distance. So this is the diagram created of different instantaneous centers. Now, third point, locate the fixed and permanent instantaneous centers by inspection. These centers are I12, I23, I34, I45, I56, and I16 and I14 as shown in the figure 6.16. These are the permanent, fixed and permanent instantaneous centers. Now, fourth point, locate the remaining neither fixed nor permanent instantaneous centers by Aron-Hall-Kennedy's theorem. Draw a circle and mark point equal to number of links such as 1, 2 in the circle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 points are marked here in the figure 6.17. Join point 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 and 6, 1 and 1, 4. We have to also join point 1 with the 4 and indicate the centers. So the centers are there in instantaneous center 1, 2, I12, I23, I34, I45, I56, I16 and I14. These are the instantaneous centers. Fifth point, join 2, 4 by a dotted line. Now we have to join 2, 4 by the dotted line to form the triangles 1, 2, 4 and 4, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. The side 2, 4 is common to both the triangles. In the circle, this is the upper half from the 7 point. Therefore, the instantaneous center I24 lies on the instantaneous center 1, 2, I1214, I1214 and I2334. I2334 produced if necessary. So these are the centers that make instantaneous centers that make after producing these points I1214, that is I12 and I14, 1214 they meet, and I2334 they meet at I13. Produce if necessary. The meet center at 24 is located I24. So they meet at point I24. Mark number 8 on the dotted line 24. Okay. So we have to mark 8 number on dotted line 24 because the 7 centers already have been located 6 point. Now join 1 to 5. By dotted line from triangle 145 and 156. The side 15 is common to both the triangles, is responsible for completing the two triangles. Therefore, the instantaneous center I15 lies on the intersection of I14, I45 and I56, I16 produced if necessary. The center I15 is located mark number 9 on the dotted line 15. 7 point. Join point 1 to 3 by dotted line from triangle 1 to 3 and 1 3 4 again. Okay, the side 1 3 common to both the triangles is responsible for completing the two triangles. Therefore, the instantaneous center I13 lies on the intersection I12, I23 and I34, I14 produced if necessary. The center I13 is located mark number 10 on the dotted line 13. These figures on the circle can also be compared at the figure 6.16. Also, this is the figure where we can find what has been said in the point 7, that join point 1 to 3 by dotted line to form triangle 1 to 3 and 1 3 4. The side 1 3 common to both the triangles is responsible for completing the two triangles. Therefore, the instantaneous center I13. Here in this figure, we will find the I13 at the top triangle red. I13 lies on the intersection of I12, I23. I12 is left corner, I23 point A, both extended, that meet at I13, and I34, I14. I34 is the right bottom point B, and I14 is point E. So, if we join the instantaneous center I34 and I14 and extend this, so this meet to the I12 and I23 at point I13. There the center I13 is located and mark number 10 on the dotted line 1 3. So this type the lines have drawn. Now point 8, join point 4 to 6 by dotted line to form triangle 4 5 6 and 1 4 5. The side 4 6 common to both the triangles is responsible for completing the two triangles. Therefore, center I46 lie on the intersection of this. We can see by the figure 6.16, what I have shown earlier. Okay, so here the center I46 lies on the intersection of I45, I56 and I14, I16. The center I46 is located mark number 11 on the dotted line 4 6. Next point, join point 2 to 6 by dotted line to form triangle 1 2 6 and 2 4 6. The side 2 6 common to both the triangles is responsible for completing the two triangles. Therefore, center I26 lies on the intersection of line joining the point I12, I16 and I24, I26. The center I26 is located mark number 12 on the dotted line 2 6. Here we are discussing the point line, point 9. Here the center I26 lies on the intersection of line joining point I12. Here point I12 is the left corner and I16 at the right, I16 at the infinite, means I12 and I16 not meet, so they will meet at infinite. And I46 is I24 at the center, I24 1.35 meter above 1.35 meter marking, and I46 is also meet to I16, the vertical line going upward, I16 at center 46, so that the center I26 is located. So here the center I26 we can find out in the left corner I26 we can locate this point. They are joining I26, I24 and I46. This is the line. And mark number 12 on the dotted line. 26. 10th point. A similar way, the 13, 14, 15 instantaneous center I35, I25 and I36 may be located by joining point 325, 225 and 326 respectively. By measurement, we find that I13A is 840 mm, that is 0.84 meter. I13B is 1070 mm, that is 1.07 meter. I14B is 400 mm, 0.4 meter. I14C is 200 mm, that is 0.2 meter. I15C is 740 mm, that is 0.74 meter. I15D, that is 500 mm, 0.5 meter. Now we have to calculate the velocity of point B, C and D. Let VB, VC and VD are velocities of point B, C and D respectively. So we know that VA by I13A equal to VB by I13B considering center I13. यहाँ पर I13 को हमने सेंटर कंसीडर किया हुआ है BCD के. यहाँ देखिए राइट साइड में B, C एंड D ये तीनों के लिए I13 को इंस्टेंटेनियस सेंटर कंसीडर किया हुआ है और जिससे हमको VB, VC और VD, ठीक है, VB, VC और VD वेलोसिटी ऑफ पॉइंट BCD ये हमको यहाँ पर निकल जाएगा. सो हियर VA बाय I13A to VA by I13 into A, I13A, VB into I13B, VB into I13B, considering the center as I13. So VB equal to VA by I13A multiply I13B. So the value comes 3.2 meter per second. Now again VB by I14B equal to VC by I14C considering the center I14. ठीक है, यहाँ पर हो गया VB I14, VB और I14 कहाँ गया, दिस इज I14 E पॉइंट है I14B इक्वल टू VC है बाय I14C, ये भी आपको I14 के साथ में है, C के साथ में, ये VB और VC ये दोनों को हमने कंसीडर किया. सो VC इक्वल टू VB बाय I14B. So here VC equal to VB by I14B multiply I14C. So this value comes 1.6 meter per second. Similarly, Vc by I15C equal to Vd by I15D, considering center I15. So here Vd equal to Vc by I15C multiply I15D, that is equal to 1.08 meter per second. Here I just I5 written here, but that is I15. Okay. Second point, angular velocity of the link AB, BC and CD. Let omega AB, omega BC and omega CD is angular velocity of the link AB, BC and CD respectively. We know that omega AB equal to VA by I13A. This comes 2.99 radian per second. VBC equal to VB by I14B. That comes 8 radian per second. And omega CD is VC by I15C. So this value comes 2.16 radian per second. These are the angular velocity of the link AB, BC and CD. So you have to solve the questions number of times that have been asked in the examination. We will solve next numericals in our next class. Thank you.